To allow for the removal of the two tunnel boring machines that are digging the Central Subway's tunnels, the SFMTA has leased the property at 1731 to 1741 Powell Street. Formerly the site of a long vacant movie theater, the structure was demolished in August and September of 2013. Soon after, crews began building an excavation pit called a retrieval shaft that will be used to remove the TBMs. In the late 19th century, this site was originally home to the Holy Trinity Russian Orthodox Church. The church was razed by the 1906 earthquake and fire. Afterward, the property was sold and the Washington Square Theater was built in 1909. The theater underwent many changes during its time. First renamed the Milano, the name changed again in 1937 to the Palace after being renovated in a muted Art Deco style. The theater was again renamed the Pagoda in 1974 and was further renovated in the 1980s. The doors closed for good in 1994 after the interior was gutted in an aborted condo conversion. The property stood vacant for the next 19 years. In the summer of 2013, the demolition process began. Workers started by demolishing what was left of the interior and removing hazardous materials. Afterward, the lobby floor was removed to reveal the basement. Crews backfilled the basement to use it as a staging area for heavy equipment. The non-structural portions of the exterior walls were removed using low-impact jackhammers, leaving reinforced columns to hold up the roof. Workers sorted recyclable materials into separate piles from metal, masonry, and wood. On August 20th, we removed the only significant portion that remained of the original theater design, the vertical Art Deco sign. Demolition work had also stepped up as workers began using an 8,000-pound hydraulic shear to remove the facade and remaining structural elements. The shear worked from the front of the building, stopping at the rear wall. Each element of the truss roof was removed one piece at a time, as well as the remaining exterior walls. By early September, only the foundation remained. As crews began removing it, they unearthed a piece of the property's past, the foundations of the original Russian Orthodox Church. After we discovered the foundations, we contacted Father John Takanashi, the senior priest of the Holy Trinity Orthodox Church, at its new location on Green Street. Central Subway Program Director John Fungi presented Father John with a block of concrete from the old foundations for preservation at the new church. After completing demolition, the site was prepared for the tunnel boring machine retrieval shaft and the next chapter in the life of this storied North Beach site. Thank you for watching.